2020 Toyota Highlander. The 4th Gen Highlander won't strike showrooms until 2020 or something to that effect. By the by, the HL will encounter a normal mid-show cycle restore for 2017. This will absolutely contain trim changes, one more rendition the SE- and furthermore no short of one new shading. Do whatever it takes not to envision unreasonably in this reestablish, as Toyota won't change a considerable measure. The Highlander's in has been left, all things considered, immaculate. Toyota included 4 more USB ports, sharing the gathering to 5-3 ahead and in addition 2 in the back. The lodge incorporates different significant storing anteroom, comprising of a rack that crosses the lower dashboard and a gigantic accentuation solaces chamber that could suit for all intents and purposes a cubic foot of different focuses. Ergonomic downsides join intends to get a handle on temperature level handles for the Vibe control structure and a touchscreen that is additionally a long way from the vehicle driver. 2020 Toyota Highlander is promptly accessible with the press system on each of the 4 tires, the most strong lorry. It can be determined that this autos and truck can be authoritatively utilized toward the beginning of 2020. Which proposes that the business stays to have a great deal of time to repair every one of the enhancements that the new thing need to point by point. All things considered, it can be too soon to explain the association of a ton of value courses. Essentially the data and in addition actualities exhibited the present value like a 2020 style with about $38,000 similar to a beginning cost.